The marriage of Natasha Dalal and Varun Dhawan is constantly in the news. Varun Dhawan is all set to get married on Saturday with girlfriend Natasha Dalal. And wedding preparations are going on in full swing at the wedding venue. On Friday night, some friends of Varun Dhawan had a bachelor party at a resort, which is located 5 minutes away from the place where the main event of wedding is being held. In the morning party, the actor of Badlapur was seen dancing with his friends. Meanwhile, music can also be heard at the main venue. The music was probably of people rehearsing for the concerts which will be held on Saturday night. The actor arranged for his wedding for famous guests in the coastal city of Alibag, including the Badrinath ki Dulhania director Shashank, fashion designer Manish Malhotra and others. While the actor reached the destination by road on Friday evening, her family, including parents and bride Natasha, took a ferry to reach Alibag. Varun Dhawan's friends and Bollywood actor Siddharth Malhotra has also reached to attend their wedding. David Dhawan has made special arrangements for Varun and Natasha's wedding. Apart from security system, full care is also being taken of the privacy of the wedding. On Friday morning, a team of drummers also arrived at the venue of the wedding. According to news, the team handling the wedding of Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma has been also prepared for this big Bollywood wedding. Along with Varun's friends Arjun Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez will also be invited to the festival. Only a few special people have been invited to this wedding. It stars actors like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and Arjun Kapoor. Only 50 guests on both sides will be involved in the wedding. Coronavirus tests will also be done for all these guests.